What is going on, guys? Today I'll be teaching you how to make part 2. Before this video starts, be sure to wait for it, like and subscribe. Now, the first thing we'll be doing is today our goal is to be making our AI paddle, right? So we need to, what I can do is I'm going to actually duplicate this sprite and call this AI paddle. Because it's basically like a player paddle, but like the computer, it's like a computer type of thing. So in the AI paddle, we want the AI paddle to move on its own. Like we don't really need to control it because as you can see, we are literally controlling it. So yeah. Also, in the ball, I want to make this so it's for touching player paddle, just because we need it to bounce off the AI paddle. I meant. So instead of this forever loop where it says set Y to mouse Y, like this is irritating, man. So we need to we just need to say glide 1 second to, and then I'm going to actually, instead of this, I'm going to say glide 1 to mouse pointer, or not mouse pointer, mouse Y. And then I'm going to say 0.3. Actually, I'm going to say the ball because we want more to focus on the ball. So glide 0.3 seconds to ball. Before I show you this, if I were to say that we just go to ball, this consistently just this goes like that. So we need to say go to X position of ball or Y position of ball. So if we said Y position, let me just put this right over here. And as you can see, it's not going. Let me see what's the problem. It looks like it's not going to the ball. So Y position of stage. Okay, ball, Y position. Go to Y position. And it's not working. I think it's because there's like issues. Yeah, there's some issues, but if we said go to Y position of ball, that will not work. We want it to glide to ball. So if we said glide 0.3 seconds to ball, then you can see that it's just gliding to ball. I don't like that, so we're going to say Y position of ball, and it doesn't work. So we need to basically say, instead of that, I'm going to make a variable called ball Y, and this keeps track of the ball's Y. And I'm going to make it for all sprites so that we can access it, and it did not work. And a variable named ball Y exists. Okay, so it fails to like appear in the ball, but that's okay. So we need to track the ball. So let's say we're going to forever set our ball Y to mouse Y, or not mouse Y. We're gonna set it to Y position of this ball, but it's like doing this still because we did not remove this. So we want it to basically go to um, ball Y, and it's not doing anything. So we want it to, actually we should set Y to ball Y. I made that mistake. So you can see that it's setting. It should probably be here. Yeah, but the thing is that um if you try, it will not like work. Also, it's not okay. So it needs to be player paddle, and you can see that. Wait for it. I think I need to wait till I hit it. Okay. Keeps hitting it back to me. That's strange. Actually, let me just set this to 180. 180 to 180. And that's happening. Okay, so let me set this to 90 degrees. Not 9,000. 90 degrees. It fails to... Okay, that's why. You can see that this will always happen. Instead of that, I basically don't want to make the game too impossible, like because every time where the ball's Y position goes, this goes to that Y position, and we don't want that. So instead of that, I'm going to say glide 0.3 seconds, glide 0.3 seconds, 0.3 to ball Y, and then just put this as your X position, because that doesn't really matter. Or we can just keep it like it is. And then I'm going to say in here, so like you can see that it looks good. I'm going to also say a wait 0.3 seconds. Now you can see that it's playing more like it's a real game. So I think this is going out well. Just the fact that the ball is not working. So I'm just gonna say if on edge bounce, because that's the normal way. And I'm going to add this right here rather. That's better. So yeah, now it's working. So now we have an awesome game in Pong. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to give a like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you next time on part 3 for the score. Catch 'em all.